I'm sexy and I know it. Who's the knucklehead? We are the knuckleheads. Who's the knucklehead? We are the knuckleheads. Who's the knucklehead? We are the knuckleheads.
And record. Do you see I tagged you in on Facebook?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, you ain't done it since Remapped it, have you? I suppose that's their way of doing, because you ain't got an instructor to show you.
Yeah. So just follow the van. You can't miss a van, can you, onto track line?
What van?
Remember the racing line, Perry? Oh, I do actually want to go now. I'm going to have to speak to my uncle. Mike, can I borrow one of your nice fast cars so I can actually...
I'll have a go on that, mate.
He's got an... I assume he's got his Audi RS4. That's
Yeah, I know.
That's like 400 brake horsepower.
I want to have a go on that.
Yeah.
At least with it on the, you stay in the. There you go. See what's behind us. Do you remember they was doing all this last time?
Yeah.
Wonder when he goes in then. Actually, you should better go on Facebook Live.
Yeah, we'll do that. Well, let's... Oh, stop.
What are you doing?
This is Facebook Live.
I can't do it because I'm driving.
I'll just do a video until you stop the image. Ties up.
This track don't look as big now.
Where's it gone?
It don't look as big now, does it, from our experience?
No.
You know, you got the buttons at the bottom, you've got a circle.
Yeah.
If you press the circle at the bottom,
Yeah.
that'll come out of it.
Oh, circle at the bottom, yeah.
Now find Facebook in one of the boxes. Go in one of the boxes, you can't miss it.
Yeah, I see it now.
Live. Cool. I went to go follow that fucking car.
It's still yellow flag, isn't it?
Eh?
It's still yellow flag, you can't overtake.
At least you better see if anyone's commenting. One person's watching. We're famous. Oh, I'm still getting 35 to the gallon.
At the moment. people watching.
Yay!
Woohoo! Boring yellow flag.
We're bored now.
Bored. Come on, I want to do. What's the fastest lap time here? Have you researched it? I don't. Not that you'll beat that. It's fine.
You're not watching. We've got 3 people now.
3 people.
Whoop, whoop. 2 people. Boring.
Someone got bored. So let me know when you want to finish
What?
this.
Where
Wrong line, mate. Wrong line.
Wrong line.
That's the yellow line. You want the red line.
You want to put like a turbocharger in the fucking van.
So when does the yellow?
I think when the van goes in.
Yeah, but when does the flag go?
That's the only problem. When you put it in sports mode, it doesn't say what gear you're in.
4 people.
Alright. Someone commented a bit.
5, 4. No comments yet. This is what you should do when the kids have been naughty. Put them in the back, with not in the seat. Then roll about.
That's it. This should be a nice day.
Yeah. Bloody lovely.
3 people. Don't feel like we're doing 60 though, does it?
No, I feel like that we should go faster.
Yeah.
Oh, someone's commented. Jason, put your foot down already and do them up the inside. Were you going to say something else then?
Oh, someone's coming. Someone commented.
Yeah, that's what I was reading. Put your foot down already and do them up in the inside, not up them.
Yeah, I wish, Jace, mate. Fucking, we're on that fucking like tour napping.
This is yellow flag. We can't do much at the moment. Perry will run out of fuel in a minute, so we'll have to go back in.
Oh, I've lost 1.5 miles to the gallon.
Oh.
Damn.
Don't put your foot down, just cruise around at 60. Is he going in? Is he going in? Go the fuck in. Is this
Hey.
or the fan?
Yeah, he needs to go in, don't he?
I think you'll pass all these.
Oh, he's going in.
He's going in.
He's in. We're off.
And we're racing! Oh. Well, you can't overtake on a bend, unfortunately.
Oh, Minnie's holding up the crowd. Come on, Minnie.
Come on, overtake.
You going to indicate?
Are you overtaking? And we're still live. And brake. And
The thing is, that's a racing Mini.
and we're still live. And brake. And
The thing is, that's a racing Mini.
we've got to take stuff out the boat.
He obviously didn't listen, did he? It's not to the left, is it?
No.
Is it?
Nope.
to the right, not left. Yeah, I ain't beating that. The Mini's holding everyone up.
Smell the fumes. Need to overtake the Mini, Barry. You can do this. You can do this. To a gallon, it's not bad. 29 to a gallon, it's not bad. Want to do mine again. You're driving and what car?
Yeah.
You can't come in because we're driving.
Coming through! Move!
Come on, Perry, you need to get past this. Well, you need to get past both these. Don't brake too much.
Oh, why are you braking that much? Move!
Come on, Perry, you need to get past this. Well, you need to get past both these. Don't brake too much.
Oh, why are you braking that much? You just got big boy diesel, mate. I think the Mini's the only thing I'm going to be able to chase because I ain't got enough power. I think the Mini's the only thing I'm going to be able to chase because I ain't got enough power. Did you let me pass or what?
No, it's just been a belly. There's no actually looking. It's got no rear view mirror, so I just overtake when you think it's sensible to.
Then again, it's quite a good guide thing to tell me when to slow down.
Right, overtake if you can on this straight.
He's a lot slower in the corners, isn't he?
Yeah.
He's a lot slower in the corners, isn't he?
Yeah. Those corners aren't big enough.
Straights, he's got me.
Just remember, it's not go-karting, so you can't hit him.
Hey?
It's not go-karting, so you can't bump him out the way. Just remember, it's not go-karting, so you can't hit him.
Hey?
It's not go-karting, so you can't bump him out the way. You can overtake here. Oh no, no you can't, because it's checker flag, so you've got to come in now.
Anyone else coming?
No.
Yeah, someone's gone. Michelle's gone in.
What's that white car behind us? That was only like
He's gone in.
Oh, that was only like a little Citroen.
Yeah, someone's gone. Michelle's gone in.
What's that white car behind us? That was only like
He's gone in.
Oh, that was only like a little Citroen. Citroen car.
25 miles to the gallon. Woo!
24? You can go down to 2 in a minute. You can go down to 2 in a minute.
Yeah, I'm definitely going to have to change the tyres. Only because I can feel it.
It's speeding.
He's getting quicker now. You seen that?
Yeah. It's just 4 minute mark, mate.
Now he's 60 foot down. Now he's 60 foot down. Feel the vibration?
Yeah.
The shudder. That's actually quite fun considering it was like a bit of a mess around. Did you cancel it?
I finished it.